Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to install the Divi builder in WordPress. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the menu to the left, hover over Appearance and click on Themes. At the top of the Themes page, click on the button labeled Add New, then select Upload Theme. Now, choose the Divi zip file that you downloaded from Elegant Themes. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can do so from their website after signing up for a plan. Once you've selected the Divi zip file, click on Install Now. WordPress will upload and unpack the theme. When the installation is complete, you'll see a success message. Next, click the Activate button. Divi is now your active theme. On the menu to the left, you'll see a new option labeled Divi. This is where you can access all the settings and features of Divi. One of the first things I recommend is setting up your color palette. Go to the Divi settings and replace the default colors with your brand's colors. This helps maintain consistent styling throughout your site without the need to manually input hex codes every time. Next, under the Integration tab, add your Google Analytics tracking code. This step is essential for monitoring your website traffic and performance. If you don't already have Google Analytics set up, it's free and easy to use. Then, navigate to the Updates section and enter your Elegant Themes username and API key. This ensures you receive updates for Divi automatically, which is especially useful if you've chosen the lifetime plan. After completing these steps, explore the Divi Theme Builder. This tool allows you to create global templates for your website, such as headers, footers, and blog post layouts. It simplifies the design process and ensures consistency across all pages. Finally, if you're working with a team, Divi allows you to manage user permissions. This feature is helpful for restricting access or limiting actions for team members or clients. That's all for this video. Remember, Divi is more than just a page builder. It's a comprehensive theme builder that simplifies the entire website creation process. Check the description for the link to try Divi from Elegant Themes at a great price.